Good morning. I just finished washing my hair and I look weird like this because I'm letting my secret out. I've had to band my hair like this because I have, yes, I have Sisterlocks. I've been questioned about it several times in the past 2 weeks since I got it. What are you going to do when you get ready to get it out? I'm not going to get it out. They are Sisterlocks. And I have to band it like this until my locks are mature to make sure that, or try not to have any slippage. I've been loving it. And so this morning I had to wash my hair, and that's it. I banded it, I washed it. I'm going to let it air dry like this, and then I'm going to come back so you can see the results. I'm back after allowing my hair to dry maybe about 2.5 hours. This would have never happened with my loose natural hair with products on it. There's nothing on it. So I'm going to take this out because I'm excited to see what it looks like. So I'm going to unband it. That's the wonderful thing about Sisterlocks. Right now, I just shampooed my hair. Did not condition. Did not deep condition. Did not have to worry about products. The biggest thing is taking these braids out. And that's okay with me. Because I know when I get it out, my hair is already styled. And the fact that it's taking me a little bit to get it loose is only because I probably braided it too tight. And I'll get used to that. And not do that anymore, or not as often. I'll get better with practice. And my hair is a big change for most people because they know I'm used to always having my hand in my hair, styling my hair, changing the styles. But I was ready for this. I did the research. I was like, that's for me. Sisterlocks for me. Certainly not going to let you sit here the whole time while I take these out. But I will come back to show you the finished product. That's what I look like. Banding my hair took me all of 15 to 20 minutes before I shampooed it. I felt like my mom. I shampooed my hair 3 times, rinsed it out 3 times. The third time I let the water go through an enormous length of time to make sure that I had all the shampoo rinsed out because I didn't want any residue in my hair. Looking good. I'll be back. Once again, guys, I'm back. I have one more braid to take out in the back. It took me about 15 minutes, I guess, to take the other ones out. Next time I'll make those braids a little bit bigger. I do not need to make them smaller. I probably won't let it dry this much either before I take it out, because I think it'll be easier if it were more damp. Because it's just easier to manipulate damp hair than it is dry hair. So I want you to see what it looks like. And all I've been doing is taking the braids out and separating each of the locks to make sure they don't marry each other or stick together. And this is what I have so far. So, I'm a sister that loves her locks. I'm going to rock this hair. These Sisterlocks were made for me.